My boys got money. They, like, hey yo, we also need to like, hey yo, my boys got money. Did you see what my boy did on his watch? Like, yo, they're pouring some popo on the watch. Hola, hola. Hola, hola, Macas Italianos. Welcome back to another episode of Gassi Lifestyle Original Reactions. It's your boy here, Zulu Ocean. I'm back again with another one. Today we're going all the way to Nigeria. We're going to be checking out an artist who goes by the name of Rema. You know how it is, man. You know how it is, man. Like, we're big fans of Rema and this channel. So we're going to be checking out Rema's, one of Rema's new music. The name of the song that we're going to be checking out today, it's called Benin Boys. Benin Boys, it features Shalipopi. I've heard about Shalipopi, on, Nigerian, Twitter. I hop on there, from time to time, it's crazy. Nigerian Twitter is crazy, So I hop on there, from time to time. So I've heard of, Shalipopi, but I've never heard his music, before. So this will be the first time as well, like, listening to Shalipopi. I don't know what to expect because I don't know what kind of music Shalipopi makes, but obviously it's probably Afrobeats. So yeah, not that I'm being stereotypical, like I'm putting him in as a stereotype, since it's from Niger, therefore it's Afrobeats. Nah. That's not what I said. Nah. I'm just taking a guess. So yeah, so we're gonna be checking out Benin Boys. If you're not drinking tea, I don't know what's wrong with you. So yeah, so Benin Boys. Let's check them out. Benin Boys. Rema just released a new album. So if you guys would like me to check out the new album, do like a reaction to like the whole album, please let me know. I would gladly do so because I still haven't listened to the album. Like I've been waiting. The album came out today, but I'm waiting to react to it with you guys. But let me know if you guys would like me to release it or not. I should just listen to it alone. You guys don't want any part of it, let me know. But if you guys would like me to react to it with you guys, let me know as well. I will gladly do so. So yeah, man, Benin Boys, Shalipopi with Rema. Man, it's been a long day, man. I won't lie. It's been a long day. So please forgive me if my energy's a little bit low. We there, man. Oh, people are leaving, eh? Private jets. Hey. Private jets. Hey. Wait, let me put on this earphones proper. Hey. See, it's duct tapes. It is duct tapes. Ish.
They call me Shalipopi.
Oh, this is that
Another banger.
Touchdown Benin Boys, gang, money agba money repete. Remy Ekawaro Shali Sapele, Sata Monica touchdown shakers. They like to the dance the leg back. Now we dey bully, now we dey pepe. If you play with the boys, you go collect. See the wins, you know it all say we no get.
They call us Benin Boys, we not they make too much noise. Now
what the fuck? Hey yo, this is fire, dog. Shit, wait, let's go back, bro. Hey yo, they call you what? Hey yo, wait, let's go back.
they call me Shalipopi.
Another banger.
Touchdown Benin Boys, gang, money agba money repete. Remy Ekawaro Shali Sapele, Sata Monica touchdown shakers. They like to the dance the leg back. Now we dey bully, now we dey pepe. If you play with the boys, you go collect. See the wins, you know it all talk say we no get.
Get why they call us Benin boys. We not they make too much noise. Now we they pull up with convoy. You know the billings where we check. Many fishes in the river, but now you and one test. Chop you and keep my teeth you for lunch. Have you for dinner on to next.
Simoni, Simoni.
Hey. Rema, if you come.
Simoni, Simoni. Simoni, Simoni. Simoni, Simoni.
Simoni, wala.
Simoni, Simoni. Simoni, Simoni. Now we be the bride of Benin, no boss supposed give us medal. Give medal. Now my Benin brothers I go call before I call your love power. Anything power.
Let me boy, you can paste your location. What is your next destination? Should I give you my direction? Touch me boy, you don't touch full nation.
Touchdown Benin boys, gang. Money agba money repete. Remy Ekawaro Shali Sapele. Sata Monica touchdown shakers. They like to the dance, the leg back. Now we dey bully, now we dey pepe. If you play with the boys, you go collect. See doings, you know because say we no shake.
My boys got money. My boys got money. They like, hey yo, we also need to wear on like, hey yo, my boys got money. Did you see what my boy did on his watch? Like, yo, they're pouring shampoo on the watch. They pouring shampoo on the watch. They pouring shampoo. Oh shit. No. Yeah, they pouring shampoo on the watch. Man, that's some crazy shit right there, man. Like, yo, oh shit. Damn, bro. Rema. Y'all are living the life. Hey, it's my watch still back here, dog. Like, hey, it's not waterproof, this one. Hey, it's not waterproof. It's casual, but from Small Street. Hey.
They call us Benin boys. We not they make too much noise. Now we they pull up with convoy. You know the billings where we the chest. Many fishes in the river, but you and one test. Chop you and keep my teeth you for lunch. Have you for dinner on to the next.
We are begele, dumbaga, Benin boys, no the rest, so yeah, she must. Say we see opportunity, we know we so small thing come out to some bad format.
Small circle, big money, dirty money. Everybody wanna come me. New Benzo incoming. Everybody tell me what time that you coming.
Oh shit, this was fire, bro. Benin boys. I don't know what they were saying, what they were singing about, but I know that they were saying that they were the Benin boys and they were killing it. And they killed it. Was this another banger? Let me think on it. Of course. It was another banger. It really was another banger, man. Like, yo, that was fire, bro. Like, yo, like the vibe, the energy is like, yo, the beat was just like, you know, the melody is like, yo, like I needed to go to the club for this one, dog. Like I wish I was in the club, bro. Like I wish I was in the club pouring shampoo on the watch, dog. On the watch, you know, not tea, shampoo, bro. Pouring shampoo on the watch, you know. But hey, man, hey. But we'll get there. We'll go to the nearest club and we'll play Benin boys. And we'll show them that we are the Benin boys. I don't know what Benin boys means. Is it a town? Is Benin a town? Let me know there in the comment section for those who know. What's Benin? Where can I find Benin? Let me know. Send me the direction. Send me the location. I'll go to Benin myself. I'll become a Benin boy. Yeah. Yeah, man, this was fire, bro. This was fire. Like, yo, shit. This was fire. Music video, really loved it. Dope, man. Dope, man. Like, out of 10, the music video, I would give it a 7 out of 10. You know? It was fire, though. It was fucking fire, dog. Like, that music. Song, of course, man. You know the song, man. The song, that shit was a 9 out of 10, bro. That shit was fire, dog. That shit was fire, bro. It was fire. Rema, you did your thing, boy, again, boy. You did your thing again, but like, I'm like, yo, like right now I'm more excited to hear the album. So you know what we're gonna do right now? We're gonna check out the album after this. So yeah, so if you're watching this video, this is the end of this video. So yeah, we're gonna hop on the next video. You guys should go watch it. If you finished with this one, please watch it. Please like, please subscribe. Thank you to everyone who has subscribed, man. Like, yo, it means a lot. It really means a lot. We are at 828 subscribers. Like, guys, like, thank you very much. Thank you very much for subscribing, man. Thank you very much for subscribing. I know my first 500 subscribers, you know, like, I left you guys in the dark for like over a year, but I promise you guys, I'm back. And I'm gonna be delivering more content for you guys daily, weekly, a whole lot more, man, a whole lot more. Stay tuned, man, stay tuned. If you guys have song requests that you'd like me to check out, please let me know in the comment section and I will check out those songs. Gladly, man, gladly. You know, let's have fun, man. You know, it's all about having fun on this channel, man, and listening to new music, whole new experiences. You know, let me know, man. Let me know in the comment section what you guys would like to see more on the channel. Because we're family, man. We're family, you know. You guys are my brothers and my sisters, you know. So, you know, let's grow this family together, my G's, you know, yeah. And let's sip some tea together. You know how it is. Alright, that's it right now for me, I'm about to hop on the Rema album. You know how it is. I go by the name of Zulu Ocean. Yizo Makasi Italianos. Until the next one. Oh yeah. Shoot.